Hi, I'm Jack from legalexpert.co.uk. We are personal injury claims specialists. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and we offer a no-win, no-fee service. Today, I'm going to be looking at how much compensation you may be entitled to for an injury involving damage to your hair if you've been involved in an accident which was due to the negligence of others. If you like this video, please do hit that thumbs up button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. If you're thinking about bringing a claim if your hair has been damaged, you may wish to know how much you may expect to receive. So I'll shortly be going over our hairdressing compensation claim amounts. But it's important to remember though, that it's not only hair salon negligence that you can claim for if your hair has been damaged, as it's possible for hair to become damaged in a number of different types of accidents, like an accident at work or a road traffic accident. You should be aware that these amounts are for your injuries alone and do not include any additional sums of compensation for things like any loss of income from time off work or any other expenses that you may incur, which will form part of your compensation sum, which means that your final compensation claim amount is likely to be larger.
In front of us we have the table for damage to hair compensation claim amounts, and damage to hair in consequence of defective permanent waving, tinting or the like, where the effects are dermatitis, eczema or tingling or burning of the scalp, causing dry, brittle hair which breaks off and or falls out, leading to distress, depression, embarrassment and loss of confidence, and inhibiting social life. In the most serious cases, thinning continues and the prospects of regrowth are poor, or there has been total loss of areas of hair and regrowth is slow. There may be a large award in cases of significant psychological disability or if surgical intervention, e.g. skin grafting, is required, and you could expect to receive anything between £5,850 right the way up to £8,780. Then for less serious versions of the above, where symptoms are fewer or only of a minor character. Also cases where hair has been pulled out leaving bald patches. The level of the award will depend on the length of time taken before regrowth occurs. This bracket will include cases of alopecia induced by stress causing some hair loss, where full recovery is made within 2 years, and you could expect to receive anything between £3,150 right the way up to £5,850.
I'd like to once again emphasise that these figures are for your injuries only and do not include the compensation from any loss of income from time off work or any other expenses you've incurred or may incur as part of your compensation sum, which means that the final compensation claim amount is likely to be larger. But in order to get a fuller idea of just how much you may be entitled to, we recommend that you reach out to a personal injury claims specialist. Now, the good news for you is that legalexpert.co.uk offers a completely free consultation where we'll talk through the accident with you to help you establish what your options are. You can speak to us whenever you'd like, as we're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week on 0800 652 7676 or visit our around-the-clock live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. We'll be happy to answer any questions you may have in relation to hairdresser compensation, like can you sue a hairdresser for ruining your hair? Following this consultation, if we believe that we're able to assist you in bringing a claim, we may offer to represent you on a no-win, no-fee basis. Now, what this means for you is that there won't be any upfront fees to worry about, and if your claim was to lose, then there's not a penny to pay. Once again, if you found this video helpful, we'd really appreciate it if you could hit that like button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. Thanks.
Of course, the circumstances of each incident are never the same, and whether or not you believe you have a valid claim, it's always advisable that you speak to an expert on the matter. So if you'd like further assistance, we are personal injury claims specialists. We offer free, friendly advice on no-win, no-fee compensation claims, so there's not a penny to pay if you lose. Get the maximum compensation that you deserve. We're rated 4.8 out of 5 stars, and we have specialist solicitors with up to 30 years experience. It'll only take just a couple of minutes for our team, who'll be happy to answer any questions you may have to help establish whether or not you have a valid claim. Call now on 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. Don't forget to subscribe, as we'll be uploading helpful videos just like this one on a regular basis. You can also check out one of our recommended videos or head over to legalexpert.co.uk, where you can read community questions on our forum, get free advice from our live chat, read articles and seek assistance for compensation on a no-win, no-fee basis with your personal injury claim.